Are you looking for the best home printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best home printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E takes the top spot for best home printer overall. It has the best blend of printing quality, price and speed to get print jobs to you quickly and effectively. Our tester timed printing from her PC, and from pressing the print button to the last of a 6-page test landing in the tray, it took 35.6 seconds. From the moment the first page hit the tray, it took exactly 23 seconds, so it lines up pretty closely with HP's claim of 22-second print jobs for its normal quality setting. It's not the fastest print job in comparison to the other printers tested, and it slows considerably if you put it on the best print setting, but it was the most consistent. The top lid for the scanner is heavy, and you need to fully open it for it to stay in place, otherwise, it slams right back down. It also features an intuitive 2.7-inch touchscreen display. Thought for those with larger hands, it may be in your best interest to opt for a home printer with a larger display. Really, though, it feels like nitpicking, considering that the print quality was the best we tested. Grayscale and color print jobs came out looking sharp and clear, especially the radial gradients testing. For those frequently work from their mobile device, you can also use the HP Smart app to help you print. Our tester loved the app because it was convenient and easy to use. Another nice perk, for parents, the HP printables located in the app allows you to source and print DIY coloring books for your kids. It also comes with 3 months of the HP Instant Ink subscription, which detects when you're low on ink and automatically orders it for you starting at $1.49 per month. But unless you're printing oodles of paper, we recommend against this subscription model. It's also important to note that the ink cartridges are the real cost driver here. The replacement set of 4 Evomore ink cartridges costs $239. With HP's claim, the black cartridge prints up to 2,500 pages and color 1,650 pages, amounting to 3 cents per black and 9 cents per color page. Our testing noted also that every once in a while, the print jobs didn't print in order. If you're printing large amounts of paper, you may want to consider another printer on our picks, but it didn't happen often enough to warrant too much concern. Number 2. HP Envy 6555E. The HP Envy 6555E is a great choice for those that don't want to spend a fortune on a printer. At around $160, it's frequently on sale for around $100. But it's not only the attractive price that nabbed this as the most affordable option. For a supposedly no-frills all-in-one printer, our tester felt that it was packed with features, including faxing for those that need it. In terms of its design, it's a hefty beast. Our tester was surprised at its size but felt it was still a lower profile compared to other options on the market. Setup was mostly easy, but she noticed that you have to push upward instead of downward to install the cartridges, a counterintuitive step that prolonged the process a bit. The small touchscreen display on the bottom left corner of the machine showed our tester the progress of the print jobs and error messages to help you troubleshoot. The biggest drawback, print speed. Both monochrome and color print jobs come out very slowly. Our tester noted that it took 70 seconds for the printer to start printing the first page. A 10-page monochrome double-sided print job took about 3 minutes. Once the machine warms up, though, it prints faster. The test page that took 70 seconds to warm up took 20 seconds to print. It's still not fast, so if you're only printing the occasional page, this printer will suit your needs just fine. Number 3. Brother MFC L3780CDW. If you need a do-it-all printer, you can't go wrong with the Brother MFC L3780CDW. It comes jam-packed not only with the ability to print, copy, scan and fax, but it also has intuitive phone functions to help you scan and print from your mobile device. Yes, it's a beast and takes up a ton of space, according to our tester, but for the space it uses, it feels targeted at small business, and an especially busy household, perhaps a few teenagers who need to print a lot for school. The print speeds are a little slower compared to others we tested. it takes 45.5 seconds from pressing the print button to the last page of a 5-page job landing in the tray, and it spews out smaller print jobs in as little as 25.1 seconds. Again, most of that time comes from the printer booting up, since once the first page began printing, for the 3-page job, it took 8.6 seconds. There's another factor playing into these times, too. Our tester also noted that these print times are averages, since the jobs varied wildly during testing. The printer also works seamlessly with your phone to print, scan and send documents back and forth between devices and comes with cloud integrations. For small businesses, it also comes with a unique feature, NFC authentication for extra security. It has 3 different paper trays, including a 30-page multipurpose tray for envelopes and other media. You can also use Brother's Refresh Easy Print subscription to automatically send you replacement cartridges when the printer senses your ink is low, and our tester notes that the printer offers a complimentary first 4-month service. It's also pretty expensive at around $500. If you plan to only print an occasional page every so often, this is not the printer for you. If you're seeking a printer that can handle volume and has extras like programmable shortcuts and the ability to fax, then you can't go wrong with this printer. Number 4. Brother HL-2460DW XL. For a laser printer, the best laser home printer moniker goes to the Brother HL-2460DW XL. The printer itself is solid and sturdy. Just keep in mind that according to our tester, the black plastic surface is prone to smudge marks. It also has both an automatic and a manual feeder, so you can print a host of mixed media as needed, from envelopes to labels. The buttons are big and the display is very basic, which we felt was a boon. It's very easy to use and operate. Prints came out clear without smudging. The print speeds were also pretty fast. It took 24 seconds for 6 single-sided pages to print from pressing the print button to the last. From the first page hitting the tray, it took 13 seconds, on average. Double-sided printing was little longer. A 3 double-sided print job took 35 seconds in total. The printer also comes with a built-in app that allows you to print from your mobile device. During testing, this was the speediest of all, 22 seconds from start to finish, and once the printer booted up, the print took 5 seconds for a photo print. But that comes with a serious caveat: it can only print in monochrome, so don't expect any color. It can handle 4,200 pages before the toner requires a replacement, and you can opt into the Brother Refresh Easy Print subscription, which can reorder toner for you when it gets low. There are a few major drawbacks. For one, it only prints, so you can't scan or copy. Our tester really liked that it didn't offer these features, as it didn't feel overwhelming when you're only worried about printing. Another issue is the firmware. Both Brother HL-2460DW models had firmware update issues that required a detailed deep dive with customer service to fix. If you can stomach this issue, this is a great printer to get most jobs done. Number 5. HP DeskJet 2855E Wireless All-in-One Color Inkjet Printer. The HP DeskJet 2855E is the perfect all-in-one printer for home use, offering printing, scanning, and copying in a compact and easy-to-use design. With wireless connectivity, mobile printing support, and 3 months of instant ink included, this printer ensures hassle-free operation for everyday documents, homework, and more. Key features: wireless printing and mobile compatibility. Print effortlessly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop with dual-band Wi-Fi and HP Smart App compatibility. All-in-one functionality: print, scan, and copy in vibrant color with high-quality inkjet printing. Instant Ink Ready includes 3 months of HP Instant Ink, so you'll never run out of ink when you need it. Energy efficient and compact design, fits perfectly in any home office while being ENERGY STAR certified for efficiency. Borderless printing and high-resolution scanning, print crisp, borderless photos and scan documents with high detail clarity. Product specifications: printer type, all-in-one inkjet, print scan copy. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, USB, HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print. Print speed, up to 7.5 ppm, black/5.5 ppm, color. Print resolution, up to 4800 by 1200 dpi. Paper handling, up to 60 sheet input tray. Compatible ink, HP 67 black and tricolor ink. Dimensions, compact and space-saving. Perfect for home users, students, and families, the HP DeskJet 2855E makes everyday printing simple and efficient. Plus, with HP Plus Smart features, you get added security, automatic updates, and seamless printing from anywhere.